part of the successful Parks Motor Group, Overfinch Scotland specialises in the sale of bespoke Range Rover models. As Scotland's only Overfinch distributor, our aim is to ensure that your purchasing and ownership experience is as enjoyable as is possible. Overfinch have been enhancing the legend that is Range Rover since 1975 and are the world's leading provider of high-performance, customised Range Rover models. Every vehicle is crafted with the discerning client in mind and is prepared to meticulous standards. A mix of precision engineering and advanced technology is used to ensure that each creation delivers unsurpassed performance and is visually enhanced to perfection. With highly trained technicians and friendly professional service, you can rely on us to service and maintain your Overfinch, keeping it in peak condition at all times. We offer a full range of personalised services as well as bespoke servicing options. In addition, we also stock genuine Overfinch parts and accessories, allowing you to maintain and customise your car to your own preferences. For more information on the services we have available, contact us today.